Hello and welcome. In this packet tracer activity, we're going to be backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. This one's going to be a fun one. So first off, what we need to do is we need to get into the customer PC, into the terminal emulation software, and we'll go ahead and start our process of backing up the information. So let's go into there. From here, we need to say Cisco first to get in the password. Enable Cisco. Sorry, I jumped the gun on you guys. Alright, so once we're here, we're going to go ahead and say copy running config, startup config. So copy running dash config space startup config, and then it's going to ask you to clarify and make sure that it's alright. You say enter for OK, and it has first gone ahead and it's gone ahead and copied what is currently running and saved it basically as the startup one, which is the same thing as typing in copy run start. So now that we've got that part out of the way, we're going to test the connectivity to the TFTP server by pinging it. So let us go ahead and we're going to go ahead and bypass the pinging part, because once we go ahead and try to copy to it, it's basically going to go ahead and tell us if it connects anyways. So let us go ahead and type in copy start TFTP. Enter. Copy. What happened there? Copy start TFTP. Okay, now it's going to ask us for the address or name of the remote host. So 192.168.1.10. Enter. Destination file name. Enter, because we want it to leave it as the same one. And there you can see, I went ahead and wrote it, copied it over there. Good enough speed. So now that we have that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and close out of this terminal real quick here. And we're going to go into the local server. From here, we're going to the config, and we're going to review the TFTP. As you can see here, customer router-config is here. So it did get written here. Now let's go ahead and test the backed up configuration. So to do that, we're going to go onto the customer router, and we're going to go ahead and erase the startup configuration. So let's go back into the PC. Terminal. Okay. From here, type in erase start. And then it wants to ensure that everything's right. And enter. It's okay. It went ahead and erased it. Now we're going to need to go ahead and we're going to need to reload the file from the TFTP server. So to do that, we need to say reload, proceed with the reload, enter. It goes and pulls the file because it remembers where you had sent it to, and it will go ahead and rewrite it back. For this part here, with this question, continue with configuration dialog. No, we don't need to. So enter, and we're back to the regular configuration of the router. From here, we're going to go ahead and configure the fast Ethernet, so that way we can go ahead and try and get this file back as to our current settings as they were. So to do so, we're going to go ahead and go into enable and conf t. And then from here, int fa0/0 IP address 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.0, and then we need to go ahead and make sure it's turned on, so no shut, and it's turned on. And let's go ahead and turn on the serial interface as well. So int se 0/0/0, and then no shut. Okay. From here, there we go, now it's up. Let us go ahead and we're going to end out of this. We're going to ping 192.168.1.10. Okay, good. So we do know that we have a connection to the TFTP server. So from here, we are going to copy the startup configuration file that is stored on the TFTP server. And to do so, we're going to type in copy TFTP running -config, and it's going to copy the file that's on the TFTP server to the running configuration that we currently have. So do that, 192.168.1.10. It's asking for the source file name, which would be customer router -confg. Destination, we'll go ahead and press enter on this. I went ahead and copied it. That's great. And now the only thing that's left to do is we need to say to copy run start. So copy run start. Oops. To save this to the startup configuration so it doesn't go back to the normal one that was originated. And that is it. Thank you for watching my video.